Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today we are talking about customer empathy-led design and the powerful products that emerge from that process. So in this we'll go over why empathetic design is needed, and a brief summary of that is basically as the designer, your entire purpose is to make sure that what you're creating is useful to the end user and that you're understanding what they need. And so we'll go over how to use design thinking to create empathy-driven designs, and some tips to do that are to adopt your user's mindset, to ask what, why, and how as often as possible to kind of detach yourself from any assumptions that you may have when designing your product, and make sure that you're actually creating something that your users need. Making sure to also conduct interviews empathetically, use storyboarding as a tactic, and to create a design thinking empathy map, all in an attempt to make sure that you are being empathetic through the entire design process. And then we'll dive deeper into the role of empathy in UX, and how it's crucial. It's in the title of user experience. You really want to make sure that you're understanding that user. Otherwise, what you're doing is kind of pointless. And then we'll go over the main framework of empathy design, which is to fail fast and fail often, and don't be afraid of that. Make sure that you are proving your assumptions wrong when needed. And then we'll also go over some examples of how leading brands approach customer empathy. So hopefully this will all help you in creating products that are useful and powerful to your users.